Hey everybody, welcome back to Live Free and Tool On. Today we are testing out a product from Amazon. Check this out. This is an Ryobi 18 volt battery adapter. Now what this says right here, it is a Power Wheels battery adapter. They wanted me to test it out. Well, here's the thing. I don't have a Power Wheels. So I had to be creative and I had to come up with a different idea for this. Now, what they advertise is that it's not an adapter that's kind of like an inverter that goes from DC voltage to AC voltage. This is a power adapter that you can take the battery and then you take the adapter right here, plug it onto the top, and you have your positive and you have your negative. What you're allowed to do at that point is that you can actually splice these into lights. It can go into your power wheels, really anything that's going to run off of 12 to 24 volts, and that's typically the band that you're going to be able to use this with devices. Now this is made by eCarc. That's what this allows you to do. So let me just go ahead and show you what I used it for. So what I use this for is on my mini bike. I really wanted to put a headlight on here, which you can see right here, but I don't have a magneto coil inside of this. So I felt it was best if I just put the adapter on here and I just hit the switch and I have awesome light. And what that allows me to do, is I don't affect the engine. I don't have to touch any of that. I have an independent power source right here. Now when you do use these, you got to use fuses. Now I got my inline fuse up here, not down here. However, you got to make sure you do that. It does feel like it's pretty good quality in how it's made. It is not 3D printed. This is molded plastic, and then it's screwed together on the inside and on the bottom. But this is just one of the things that you can use it for. I hope this helps somebody out. Maybe gave you some ideas to some things that you can do with it. If it did, please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and hey, if you're looking for this, check out the link in the below description. Take care, everybody.